I need new shoes.
At those hipsters, I wanna dance.
I said, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Don't stop giving me things. Stop, don't stop laughing about it. Stop, don't stop. I said, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop giving me things.
Hello guys. So I will try to ride again. This elevator to see if it makes weird sounds again. Holy. Did some people take the elevator? No. I think it makes again the sound. Let's see, I think it does again. 3, 2, 1. And there it is. And there it is. That weird sound. And it stops when it's going to -2. What? Seriously? But it reached the last floor. Ooh. I don't know if you can listen to the motor, but it's quiet. Okay, another ride. I think that sound, my friend said that is normal, that sound. But I don't know why it makes that. Okay, let's going down again. And listen now. In 3, 2, 1, there it is. I think the lift needs to be in assistance for that weird sounds. I think the lift needs assistance. Because it's going to making the sounds. Okay. Because it's making the sounds when it's going down. But my friend says that is normal, because I don't know why. Okay, let's go into the 0. Wait. I will... Okay. Okay. Why weird sounds? I don't know. But nobody called. Okay, thank you for watching.